Hello students, let us continue new topic mensuration, area and perimeters. Volume. Now, this is the diagram of rectangle and area of rectangle is length multiply breadth, mean A into B. A into B. This is the diagram of square and area of square is side multiply side, mean A into A. Triangle, area of triangle is 1 upon 2 base multiply height, base multiply height. Area of parallelogram, base into height, area of parallelogram, base into height. Area of circle, pi r square means pi b square, radius b, so we write pi b square. Now discuss some important example formulae of mensurations. Perimeter of square equal to 4 side. Area of a square equal to side multiply side. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 bracket L plus B. Area of a rectangle equal to length multiply breadth. Length multiply breadth. Area of a triangle equal to 1 upon 2 base multiply height. Area of a parallelogram equal to base multiply height. Area of a rhombus equal to 1 upon 2 d1 multiply d2, where d1 and d2 are both diagonals of a rhombus. Area of a circle equal to pi r square, where r is radius. Perimeter and circumference of a circle equal to 2 pi r, and other formula pi d. D mean 2r. D is diameter, 2r is double of radius. So we write pi d. Area of semicircle, pi r square upon 2. Pi r square upon 2. Area of a triangle equal to, by Heron's formula, s bracket s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. Perimeter of a semicircle, pi r plus d. Pi r plus d. D mean diameter. Diameter 2r. Pi r plus 2r. Circumference of a semicircle, pi r. Perimeter of a quadrant, pi r upon 2 plus r plus r. Area of a quadrant, pi r square upon 4. Now next formula. Area of a trapezium equal to 1 upon 2 into a plus b into h. 1 upon 2 sum of parallel side and multiply distance between parallel side. Volume of a cuboid, L into b into h. Also write area into height. Also write area into breadth. And also area into length. Diagonal of a cuboid equal to root L square plus b square plus h square. Total surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Lateral surface area or curved surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 bracket L plus B into H. Tape is needed for all edge of a cuboid equal to 4 into L plus B into H. Tape is needed for all edge of a cube equal to 12 edge. Volume of a cube, side into side into side, means side cube. Diagonal of a cube, root 3a. Total surface area of a cube, 6 side square. Lateral surface area of a cube, 4 side square. Area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 upon 4 side square. Surface area of a cube equal to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Surface area of a cube equal to 6 side square. 6 side square. Now, remember SI unit of area is unit square or square unit, centimeter square, meter square. SI unit of volume is unit cube mean meter cube, centimeter cube, etc. Curved surface area of a cylinder equal to 2 pi RH. Total surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Curved surface area of cone pi r L. L is slant height. Total surface area of a right circular cone equal to pi r bracket L plus r. Surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square. Total surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of a hemisphere 2 pi r square. Total surface area of a hemisphere equal to 3 pi r square. Volume of a cylinder pi r square h. Volume of a cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume of a sphere equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of a hemisphere equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now also remember 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter cube equal to 10 into 10 into 10 mean 1000 millimeter cube equal to 1 ml, 1 milliliter. 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter cube equal to 10 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter equal to 1000 centimeter cube, also equal to 1 liter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter cube equal to 10 decimeter multiply 10 decimeter multiply 10 decimeter is equal to 1000 decimeter cube, mean 1000 liter. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter cube equal to 100 multiply 100 multiply 100 mean 10 lakh centimeter cube. Also write 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cube. 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube. 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube. Also write 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1000 ml is equal to 1000 ml. 1 kiloliter, kilo mean 1000. 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. Also write 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 meter. Now try this. Match the following figure with their respective areas in the box. This is the diagram of parallelogram, and area of parallelogram base multiply height. Base is 14, height is 7. 14 7 are 98 centimeter square. Area of parallelogram base multiply height 14 multiply 7 centimeter square 98 centimeter square. Match the diagram 98 centimeter square. Now this is diagram of semicircle. Diameter is 14 centimeter, radius is 7 centimeter. Area of semicircle is pi r square upon 2. Pi r square upon 2. 1 upon 2 multiply value of pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 7. 7 multiply 7. 7 7 cancel. 2 1 is 2. 2 11 is 22. 11 7 is 77 centimeter cube. Now third part. This is triangle. And formula of area of triangle is 1 upon 2 base multiply height. 1 upon 2 base multiply height. Base is 14, height is 7. Base is 14, height is 7. 1 upon 2 base multiply height. 2 1 is 2. 2 7 is 14. 7 7 is 49 centimeter square. This is your first question. Now second part. Write the perimeter of each shape. Length 14, breadth 7. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 bracket L plus B. 2 into 14 plus 7, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 to the 42 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle 42 centimeter. Now second part, this is the diagram of square, and square has all sides are equal, so each side is 7 centimeter. Perimeter of square is 4 side. 4 into 7 centimeter. 4 7 is 28 centimeter. This is your required answer. Now try the page number 170 in your fair notebook. Thank you.